Alright, we have a young man named Parker Andrew Kapik, 3.5 years old. What are you going to do for us today, Parker?
I'm going to jump and do a slam dunk.
You're going to jump and do a slam dunk. Alright, let's see what you got. Ah! Okay, who do we have going next? This thing's pretty tall, by the way. Let's check him out. Go for it, Fletch. Yeah! Careful. Okay, last one. Last one, everybody. Go for it, Poke. Yeah! Good job. Okay, Fletch. You're up. Last one, Fletch. Parker, let Bailey up there, please. Go ahead, Fletch.
Watch this.
Let's see what you got.
Look, I can see the roof.
You can see the roof. You're close to it, but don't jump for it. Careful, land on your feet. Let's go.
I can touch it while I jump.
Okay.
No!
Bailey, careful.
Guys, stop.
Go for it, Fletch.
1, 2,
Land on your feet.
3, go!
Careful.
1, 2, 3, go!
Bailey, careful. Don't knock your brother over. Good job, Fletch. Okay, last one, Bailey. Very careful, guys. Fletcher, out of the way, please. Bailey, you need to be very careful, okay? Let's see what you got.
I'm scared of this.
Come on, little gymnast girl. Parker, please don't do that. Let's go, Bailey. We're running out of film here.
Go. My toes on the edge.
Let's go, Bailey. Okay, Bailey. Are you going to go or not? Stand up. Bailey. Watch out. Don't touch Bailey. Don't touch Bailey, Parker. Fletcher? Okay, Daddy's coming. Here, we'll do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good, Bailey. Nope, we're all done. Say night-night.
Night-night.
Night-night.